Hey guys, welcome back to Streets Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter Human Reproduction. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see our first question. Parts of the human's female reproductive system are 1. Penis, 2. Vagina, 3. Uterus, 4. Fallopian tube. Option A 1 and 2, option B 1, 2 and 3, option C 3 and 4, option D 2, 3 and 4. The right answer for this question is option D 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's see our next question. Seminal fluid, option A maintains the viability of sperms, option B maintains motility of sperms, option C provides proper pH and ionic strength, option D all of these. Seminal fluid is secreted by the seminal vesicles. It maintains viability and motility of sperms. It also provides proper pH and ionic strength. Fructose, which is present in the seminal fluid and is not produced anywhere else in the body, provides a forensic test for rape. Its presence in the female genetic tract confirms sexual intercourse. Hence, option D. All of this is the right answer for this question. Next one. Placenta is option A channel for providing essential requirements for the growth of the embryo. Option B storage organ. Option C conductor for nerve impulse. Option D meant for protection of embryo from shocks. And the right answer for this question is option A is the right answer. Okay, let's see our next question. Which of the following is not a male accessory gland? Option A seminal vesicle, option B ampulla, option C prostate, option D bulbourethral. Ampulla is the part of the oviduct between the infundibulum and isthmus. It is at the ampullary isthmus junction where fertilization takes place. Hence, option B ampulla is the right answer. Okay, next question. Test tube baby means a baby born when option A it is developed in a test tube, option B it is developed through tissue culture method, option C the ovum is fertilized externally and thereafter implanted in the uterus, option D it is developed from a non-fertilized uterus. Test tube baby is a baby developed from an egg that fertilized outside the body in controlled condition and then implanted in the uterus of the biological or surrogate mother. Hence, option C is the right answer for this question. Okay, next one. Middle piece of a mammalian sperm contains option A nucleus, option B centriole, option C mitochondria, option D vacuole. Nucleus is present at the sperm head or acrosome. Centriole is present at the neck region. Middle piece of mammalian sperm contains mitochondria. Hence, option C is the right answer. Okay, next question. Consider the statements given below regarding contraception and answer as directed thereafter. 1. Medical termination of pregnancy during first trimester is generally safe. 2. Generally chances of contraception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. 3. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. 4. Contraception pills may be taken up to 1 week after coitus to prevent contraception. Option A 1 and 3, option B 1 and 2, option C 2 and 3, option D 3 and 4. A medical termination of pregnancy or abortion is a type of non surgical abortion in which pharmaceutical drugs are used to induce abortion. An oral preparation for medical abortion pill. Medical abortion regimens can be safely and effectively used throughout the first 49 days of pregnancy. The copper IUD is the most effective form of emergency contraception. Copper IUDs actually prevent fertilization by reducing the number and viability of sperms reaching the egg and by impeding the number and movement of eggs into the uterus. Hence, option A 1 and 3 is the right answer. Okay, next question. Sertoli cells are found in option A ovaries and secrete progesterone, option B cortex and secrete adrenaline, option C seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to germ cells, option D pancreas and secrete cholecystokinin. Sertoli cells are found in the walls of seminiferous tubules of the testes. Compared with the germ cells, they appear large and pale. They anchor and probably nourish the developing germ cells, especially the spermatids, which become partly embedded within them. Hence, option C, seminiferous tubules, is the right answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following group of cell in the male gonad represent haploid cell? Option A, spermatogonial cell. Option B, germinal epithelial cell. Option C, secondary spermatocytes. Option D, primary spermatocytes. Germ cells are spermatogenic cells by mitotic divisions produce spermatogonia into the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. The spermatogonia grow into primary spermatocytes which undergo meiosis producing haploid cells, first secondary spermatocytes and then spermatid. Hence option C, secondary spermatocytes, is the right answer. Okay, next question. The tunica albuginea is a covering around the option A testis, option B kidneys, option C uterus, option D epididymis. The right answer for this question is option A, testis. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye.